How to remove the rear light cluster on a Volkswagen Golf. First thing you need to do is open the boot. We'll do the left hand side because it's a bit trickier. There's a few bolts that are obstructed. So just open this panel up, kind of clockwise. That's the back of the light unit. So I've just removed the trim work. You don't need to do this, all this carpet bits here. You can leave it here, but it just makes it easier to show. So you've got one nut here that you need to remove and another in the corner. So there's 8mm. Both of those removed. Now there's another nut you need to remove to release the light, and it's behind this section here. So this carpet needs to come out a bit. So you need to remove this bracket here, and this is on a T25 Torx screw head. That's now ready to come out. Now with this bracket removed, you'll be able to move this fabric forward and get access from behind. You can access it through this here without removing all the carpet, but I am in this case just to make it easier to film. So pull everything forward. You can see everything. So the third bolt, if you can see it, it's just in here. Again, another 8mm. We also need to remove the bulb holder from the light unit. So squeeze these two tabs together. Careful not to push the light unit out of the car. You may want to do this earlier in the process, or you can leave it till now. And that's out. And now the light cluster is free. Now the light unit will just come out. And you're done.